Alright, I've got AutoCAD open. Let's start a new project. In this case, I want to start project 4. We can see that I have surface 4 here, but we will go up here to open, click that. We'll see that we're in the project 4 subdirectory. I'm going to grab surface 4 and say open. Now opening this surface says that it's open with an earlier version. In this case, it's because I made it with 2010 or 2009, something like that. So we'll just say close on this. And then whenever you see a screen like this, convert VBA to .NET, download VBA modules, just continue with the command. I always like to convert it because I'm not going to go backwards at any point in time. I'm only going to go to newer versions. So I'm going to click that. Now that that's opened, now I'm going to double click to zoom extents. I can see all of my stuff that I'm going to work with. I've got a whole bunch of polylines. I'm going to type in vPoint. Brings up this cool little preset thing. I'm going to set it to 315 and 30 just to make sure that my stuff isn't too far out of whack. If I want to, I can hold down shift and the middle mouse wheel, pan around, and make sure that my stuff is what I think I'm looking at. Looks pretty clean. Type in the plan, hit enter twice. Should put me back to where I was before. And now I've got enough of a surface to start with. If you'll notice with this particular surface, I've got a bunch of polylines sitting at elevation, plus I've got some bubbles. Each one of these bubbles is going to be a different thing. In this brown bubble here, we want to build a road. In this purplish blue bubble, we're going to build a parking lot. Inside this pink bubble and this pink bubble, we're going to build a path that goes from the parking lot up to this green spot, which is going to be an observation center. And then along the crest of this mountain here, we're going to build a path down to what is the old observation center and the path that leads up to that. So we want these paths to tie together, and this path here doesn't have a set distance. So what we're going to create for this is 3 alignments, 2 subassemblies, and 3 corridors with profiles to match. And then we're probably going to create 2 different grading objects, one in here and one over here. And that will be the basis of project 4.